For your safety, remain seated when the doors close. Keep your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside while transferring. And supervise your children.
Howdy everybody, Michael Mass here. Welcome back, I'm back, you're back, we're back, boom, at the Magic Kingdom for the first time in forever it seems like. I have not done an actual like vloggy vlog in a while, just like hang out vlog, talk about things vlog. It's all been food, food, food all the time, but you know what? It's time to hang out, have a little fun. We're about to head into the Magic Kingdom. We're gonna talk about a few things today. Disney making some big changes that some people aren't too happy about. We're just gonna hang out, have fun. We're gonna look at the vacation crowds because it's spring break for like 6 weeks here at the Magic Kingdom. Let's get inside and check it out.
Please stand clear of the doors. Por favor, manténganse alejado de las puertas.
So as I said, it's been a while since I've been in the parks. Really haven't been in the parks, period, outside of like maybe Epcot a few weeks back when Flower and Garden began. I just have been really busy, but and then I picked the spring break to come in. I'll say this right now, it doesn't seem like the crowd's that bad today. Like it seems a little bit bigger than average, but it's not insane at this point, I don't think. We'll see how the wait times look like on the few rides that we're gonna fast pass today. But as we make our way in, let's talk about those controversial subjects that Disney just released like yesterday, or by the time this comes out, it'll be a few days ago. But no more smoking in the parks. What's your opinions on that? They are doing away with all the smoking areas. You're gonna have to go out the front gates, and they'll have a designated area out there so that you can smoke if you are a smoker. What's your thoughts on that? Are you a smoker? Are you upset by this? Are you happy by this? What is your thoughts? Please keep it friendly, and let's not get too I don't know, mean in the comments, because I've seen some people get pretty rough on some of these like Facebook billboards when it comes to this over the last couple days. As well, they're doing away with stroller sizes, or lowering them, making them smaller. You can't bring as big as strollers. You can't bring like the I can't really think what it's called. This is proof that I don't have a stroller and I don't bring kids, because I don't know what it's called. But like the wagons, they're doing away with that, and all of that is smaller as well. So please let me know your comments down below what you think of these changes. These changes as the castle show just wraps up over there. But yeah, all of these changes, let me know what your thoughts are down below. We're gonna go head to our first fast pass today. We're gonna go do a little jungle cruise, and then I don't know, we'll see what happens the rest of the way. As we arrive at Jungle Cruise back here, we were met with the first reality that it is spring break, and they must have had a downtime on Jungle Cruise at some point in the day, because this line right here, that line right there is the fast pass line for Jungle Cruise right now. So the standby is 75 minutes, and this is the fast pass line. That's kind of ridiculous, but we have a fast pass. We're gonna ride it. Let's go do it.
The world famous Jungle Cruise. My name is Brittany, and I will be your skipper, your guide, your snake charmer, your lion tamer, and if you don't all laugh at my jokes, your swimming instructor. Okay, offer laughter from like 4 people. Great start. Okay, actually that's okay though. That Jeep right there, I could not get it started this morning. It looks like they really got it to turn over. In Africa, and it's the longest river in the world. Now it goes on for miles and miles and then if you don't believe me, then you are in disbelief. Okay, save the jokes for professionals here. Now, some people do take it for granted, but I think it's one of our bolder attractions here. It really rocks. Yeah, right over here though, we do have our African belt, and look at all these animals that gathered. We have the long-necked cheetahs and things that killed Mufasa, some reindeer, some stripey horses, chickens in a tree, and oh, you guys, would you look at that? Even that pride of lions is protecting that sleeping zebra. Somebody did once tell me that more waterfalls over Schweitzer Falls in a minute than a man could drink in his entire lifetime. Now, I don't know about all of you, but I find that information a little hard to swallow. And just in time too for the moment you've all been waiting for, the eighth wonder of the world is the Dark Side of the Water! Oh, too late! Oh, too late! No, just be awkward. Okay, if you look back that way, you'll see a rare sight. It's called the Side of Water.
Hi, Sam.
Now, he has a great deal for all of you because sales from him have been shrinking lately. 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Any takers? No? Well, I would really consider it if I were you, because no matter how you slice it, you come out ahead on this deal, okay?
Well, even though that line seemed forever long, it was actually a pretty quick getting on the Jungle Cruise. A good skipper this time. It's always nice to have a good skipper. That's the hard thing about the Jungle Cruise, is you never know if you're gonna get a good skipper. Fortunately, most of them are pretty good, and definitely had a good one this time. So what are we gonna do? We are gonna go over to Aloha Isle, see how the line looks like, and we might be trying a new sweet treat from there. Hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. This is the Hei Hei Cone. This is the Hei Hei Cone. I think it looks better on the menu. Oh, let's go ahead and try the Hei Hei. I'm liking it. I'm liking the raspberry. It's raspberry, I want to say. I'm definitely liking that. I actually think I might like that better than the Dole Whip. That's nice. Right in the beard. I'm gonna break here and go wipe this off. I finished up the Hei Hei Cone, and hey, 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 hey. Hey, 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 hey. And we are trying to make our way over to Splash Mountain for my 3 o'clock-ish fast pass, somewhere in that range. But yes, headed to Splash Mountain. The Hei Hei Cone, I enjoyed it. I actually would have been pretty happy if the raspberry would have been the whole cone. I'm just gonna say it. I enjoyed that much more than the traditional pineapple Dole Whip. That raspberry Dole Whip was rocking, and I definitely, next time I might just go order the whole cone in raspberry if they still have it. But that cone is definitely worth grabbing if you like the Dole Whip, if you like raspberry, or you just want to take a fun Instagram pic, because that was why I got it in the first place. So had to think about the gram and do it for the gram. So that you can see over on Michael Mass Foodie's Instagram, Michael Mass Foodie, at Michael Mass Foodie on Insta. Check that out. All my foodie adventures are there. But we're on to Disney. We're doing Disney today. So let's go to Splash Mountain. I'm back at Magic Kingdom. I finally feel like I'm back at Magic Kingdom. Like, hat on backwards so I don't lose it, but I just got soaked. I rode in the back, and I like never get soaked on Splash Mountain. But the sprayer, like when you go around that little thing, sprayed off, poof, just like completely, like, yeah, I'm soaked. Fortunately, I saw it coming and hid the camera quick enough that the camera didn't get soaked, but that's what happened. I am soaked. I feel like I'm back. I feel like now I feel alive now. I feel like I'm back in Magic Kingdom, back at Walt Disney World having fun. That's what it's all about, right? That is 100% what it's all about. We do only have one more ride today though. At least I only have one more Fast Pass today. And I was able to get a Fast Pass for Peter Pan. I haven't been there since they did the refurb on it. See anything that significantly different. I think a few of the scenes were a little bit brighter. That's kind of nice. You can see more. Maybe you can actually see more on the camera. I don't know. We'll see how that comes out. I'm gonna try, if that ride-through was really good, to just put a full ride-through video up of the refurb Peter Pan here shortly, hopefully. Look forward in the next couple weeks. If I look at it and I think it's worth putting up, I will definitely put the full ride-through up. As well, it doesn't seem that incredibly packed during this Friday on a spring break. That corridor back there between Peter Pan and Small World, that's kind of how you can tell how packed it is here. And it wasn't shoulder to shoulder. Plenty of walking room there. Plenty of walking room. And it's not shoulder to shoulder throughout. It's actually been decent traffic. I mean, it's busy, but it's not extremely busy as far as I'm concerned. So maybe I got lucky and came on a slower day. So, wow. Anybody know what's going on here? Because apparently I'm out of the loop, as they have definitely drained the moat around the castle. And wow, looks just a little bit different here. A little bit different. So if you know what's going on, please let me know, because apparently I'm out of the loop on this one. This is me not paying attention, but that's the moat around the castle, and that's all the water. And trust me, we're not in a drought here in Florida. Oh, wow, isn't she beautiful? It really has, if I hadn't said it, been too long since I've been here. And I wish I was staying a little bit longer today, but I had some plans, and plus my phone just died. Completely died. I've had some phone issues. This is the reason live streams haven't been happening. I would prefer to be doing some live streams here and there, but I kind of went for a swim with my phone. Whoops. Didn't know I had it in my pocket, and so yeah, not fun. I'm waiting for the phone, my new phone, to come off back order. So I'm waiting for that. And when that happens, we're back to live streams. But right now, my phone is almost junk. I can only charge it by sending it on one of those charging pads. I can't plug it into a wall, so that's no fun. And so hence my phone has died, and it goes so fast right now. My battery is toast. Toast, goes so fast. But guys, answer me those questions. When it comes to Magic Kingdom, are you in favor of those rule changes of no smoking in Walt Disney World parks anymore, as well as smaller strollers? I don't care. I mean, it doesn't seem to affect me much. That's my opinion. Good for some people, bad for others. I'm sorry if they like hurt your feelings or something. Please do not get into an argument in my comments. Like, please. Because I know it was quite controversial somewhere, but in some places. But please let me know what you think of no smoking, smaller strollers, I guess you could say. Have you tried the Hei Hei Hey? Hey, 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 hey. Have you? Have you tried the Hei Hei Hey? Are you a Dole Whip fan? Please. I have so many questions today for you guys. So many questions. So many questions. Actually, answer me this too. If you have nothing else to answer, if you have watched this whole video and you have nothing else to answer, let me ask you this question. Out of the 3 rides that I rode today, Jungle Cruise, Splash Mountain, and Peter Pan, what is your favorite? What is your favorite? So for every view I have on this video, I should have at least one person say Splash Mountain. Please. It's gotta be Splash Mountain, right? I love me some Splash. Love me some Splash Mountain, guys. I think that's it, guys. As you can see, I've made my way down Main Street. I am near City Hall, and I just don't think it was that packed today. On spring break, on a spring break, there's plenty of them going on right now. Just wasn't that packed, surprisingly enough. Kind of light traffic, all that good stuff. Guys, I'm gonna get out of here. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you had, make sure to bam, hit that, smash that, do whatever you feel like. As long as that like button gets hit somehow, hit that like button. And if this is your first time here, join the friends, join the family, join the masses. Join the masses, hit that subscribe button, and stick around for all of the food fun, Disney fun, and everything else that comes along with the Michael Mass channel. Until next time, guys, I am gonna get out of here. Thank you for your time. Here's to life.